Hi, I'm Martin, and in this course you will learn how you can create tutorial videos like this. I made professional tutorial videos since 2009-2010, and from then on I really love to share my knowledge via tutorial videos. Mostly over the latest years I did tutorial videos via screen capturing. So screen capturing is basically where you will film you will record your screen and then share what you are clicking or what you are doing directly on the screen or inside the software. And that's a really crucial part to know, because if you think about it, if you have some things that will be done every time from your clients or every time from your employees, then you don't want to tell them every time what they have to do. You just want to record once and then share this knowledge with this tutorial video. And in this video I will show you how you can do this. To my clients or my client lists is the following. I work for LinkedIn Learning and I do tutorial videos. I recorded over 50 to 60 tutorial videos and tutorial courses for them. Then I have my own YouTube channel. I teach at the University of Applied Sciences in St. Pölten here in Austria. And I do a lot more about learning, teaching and sharing knowledge in general. So if you want to become better, then that's exactly the right course for you.